Welcome to another PCS Company product demonstration video. Today, we'll be discussing Barb-Tech hose assembly toolkits. PCS Company offers the Barb-Tech PQD hose assembly toolkit to address the assembly of non-valved or quick disconnect fittings commonly used in the injection molding and die casting industries. The assembly tools come with a dedicated mandrel set designed to hold straight and 90-degree quick disconnects while installing 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch push lock hose to connect to your mold. The Barb-Tech PQD assembly kit is portable, lightweight, and saves time by taking the tool to the hose instead of taking the hose to the tool. The PQD assembly tool is now offered as 2 different kits with a dedicated mandrel set to hold either PCS style or Parker Moldmate style. Optional mandrel sets for 45-degree fittings and fittings up to 1 inch are available. Replacement jaws are also available. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit our website at www.pcs-company.com.